You want to change language in Snapchat and use it in Spanish, French, Korean, Chinese, Japanese, etc. without even changing your iPhone's system language? Here's the way to switch it to any language on Snapchat or back to English if you accidentally changed it. So for that, let's open settings on our iPhone, go to General, go down to Language and Region. Now here, you're gonna just tap on Add Language, and then from this list, just select whatever language you want to use on Snapchat. And from this pop-up, you can tap over Use English if you want to change only Snapchat's app language, not your iPhone system language. And as you can see, it'll be added to this list along with English or the primary language, like whatever you are using. To apply this language, right after that, you can enter the app. From your profile, go to Settings, scroll down to Language. Now, as you can see, you can either go to Settings from here, or you can just open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down to Apps. Because a lot of you want to see the original option in Settings. So scroll down and find out Snapchat. And at the end, there is the language settings. Just tap on it and just select whatever language you've added to this list. After that, you can just force quit everything to quickly apply it and re-enter Snapchat, and here you go. The app language is changed to your preferred one. And you can switch between different languages like this exact same way. And if you accidentally changed it, want to go back to English again, simple. You can just come back in here and just select English instead. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.